Construction of triangles. Second type, to construct a triangle when its base, angle adjacent to the base and difference between the remaining sides is given. So the example, first example from the practice set 4.2. Construct triangle XYZ such that YZ is equal to 7.4 centimeter, angle XYZ is equal to 45 degree and XY minus XZ is equal to 2.7 centimeter. So here in this example, the base of the triangle XYZ is given as YZ is equal to 7.4 centimeter. Now angle which is adjacent to the base, that is angle XYZ, is given as 45 degree, and the difference between the remaining sides are XY and XZ, in which XY minus XZ is given as 2.7 centimeter. As per the given information, I have drawn rough figure here in which YZ is drawn. Then this is ray YL making an angle of 45 degree with this base YZ. On this ray YL, I have taken point W at the distance of 2.7 from Y. So length of this segment will be 2.7 centimeter. Now point X will be on this ray YL somewhere here. So somewhere here I have shown point X. Y dash W dash X, that is point W is in between Y and X. YW is equal to XY minus XW, and it is given that XY minus XZ is equal to 2.7, and this difference XY minus XW is also 2.7 centimeter. From these two statements we get XW is equal to XZ, that is length of segment XW will be equal to length of segment XZ. So we will draw this segment XZ here, and from this we can say that point X is equidistant from W and Z. That means this is on the perpendicular bisector of the segment WZ. So we will construct like this. This is perpendicular bisector of WZ. So now we will construct this triangle XYZ. So first draw the base YZ of 7.4 centimeter. So this is segment YZ. .4 centimeter. Then measure angle Y of 45 degree. So measure angle Y . 45 degree. Draw this ray making an angle of 45 degree with this segment YZ. This is angle of 45 degree. This is ray YL. Now we will take 2.7 centimeter radius in our compass and locate point Y on this ray YL. Put your compass on point Y and make an arc intersecting this ray. So this is point W. Now draw segment WZ. Now we will draw perpendicular bisector of this segment WZ. So we will take radius more than half of the length of this segment WZ. Keep your compass on point Z. Draw arcs at both sides of this segment. Keep your compass on point W and make intersecting arcs of these previous arcs. So we got 2 points here. Draw a line passing through these 2 points and which will intersect the ray YL. So draw this line like this. This is the perpendicular bisector of segment WZ, and where this line intersects the ray YL, that is the point of intersection of these 2 rays, name it as X. So this point X is equidistant from the points W and Z. So join X and Z. These 2 segments, they are congruent. So this is the required triangle X, Y, Z.